me over on Instagram. ArtistRebeccaLS, the channel that inspires you every day. Subscribe or I'll throw paint at you. Support my channel even more by fully watching my videos, commenting, sharing, and go watch a playlist or two. Today we're using food colouring, a sketchbook, and a permanent pen. Let's get the pre-sketch done first. Now let's permanent pen it. And now I'm putting the food colouring into a little palette. Just look at how vibrant this food colouring is. Mop up excess paint with paper to give a transparent effect. And now a wet into wet technique for the background. It's now finished. Click the 2 videos on screen now, and when you do, you're going to get even more inspiration.